Hello, today we're going to be making a paper airplane. So, first thing you're going to need to do is fold it like a hot dog. If you don't know what a hot dog is, folding it the long way. First, this is how the paper airplane will turn out. Okay? Just like this. Okay? So, fold it like this. Open it back up. What you're going to want to do is take this and you're going to want to fold it across this line here. And you're going to do that on this side also.
Remember what I told you about that paper?
I know. Sorry, that was my grandma. Okay, so then you're going to take this and you're going to fold it. Well, not really fold it, but you're going to bring it down to the middle. So like this. Okay, you're going to fold it down, okay? 1 second, let me do that. Let me remind you, it's not that big. See? So anyways, you do that. Then you take this and you fold it again. Fold that again. Okay. And across this line in the middle right here. Gonna do that on both sides also. Then you're going to fold it like this. And fold it. It's going to be like this, and you're going to fold it like that, okay? So when it's flat on the ground, it's going to be flat like this. It's going to be flat like that. And what I want you to do is, on the top, basically I just want you to fold it down to here, okay? Fold it right down. Try to get it even, so it'll fly, flies longer or whatever if you get it really even. I mean, you don't have to, but to me it flies better. And there you go. Paper airplane. Okay. I made a video before about 6 things you may not have known about Star Wars. Basically, if you see this face, that's it. It's a little low. I don't know if this one's low, but still, it won't have the name on it. It will have VID and then a whole bunch of numbers. The first numbers are 2014. Sorry, I accidentally put the 6 things you may not have known about Star Wars in the wrong place, so you can look that up. Okay, YouTube, please hit like and leave a comment, and if anybody would like me to do any other video, just go ahead and comment, and I'll be reading my comments every day. Thank you.